Hello, my friends.
Merry Christmas! Today I will show you our 150 series smart single hand window. First, you can see it has a wall controller, and press up this button you can open the line. Then you press up the button on the top. You can let the glass window close up smoothly and steadily. Also, you can press up the middle button to let the mesh window go down slowly. Imagine that you are watching TV on the sofa and want to close the window. Yes, we also give you a remote to easily control the window when putting your hand near the window. Yes, it will stop and save you from being cut because it has an infrared sensor device. Last but not least, it has a rainwater sensor device, and the window can be closed in time automatically when raining, so you will have no worries about the floor being wet. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. You can follow us for more product details.